Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are here for another lesson. My name is Ben.
And I'm Emma. Ben, I saw a really nice movie yesterday. It was all about a big family with many brothers and sisters.
Oh, that sounds nice. It's always fun to talk about family.
It is, and that is our big topic for today. We are going to teach you how to talk about your family in English.
This is such an important topic. When you make new friends or meet new colleagues, one of the first things people talk about is family.
It's how we connect with people. So today, we're going to give you all the words and phrases you need.
And today we have a new extra long lesson format for you. We listen to your feedback.
That's right. Our main lesson will teach you the vocabulary. But after that, we have two new special sections.
The first new section is called Common Mistakes. We will look at the 3 biggest mistakes learners make when talking about family.
And the second new section is a culture tip. We will talk about how to ask about family politely in countries like the USA and the UK.
It's going to be a long, very detailed lesson. We are excited.
We are. So please get a cup of coffee, relax, and let's start. And if you like these new, longer lessons, please click the like button to let us know.
Okay, Emma, let's start at the beginning. The main family.
We call this the immediate family. This is your core group. It starts with mother,
And father.
mother, and father. Together, we call them parents.
Parents. My parents live in London. This means my mother and my father.
Now, let's talk about brothers and sisters. You can say, I have a brother. I have a sister.
If you have more than one, you say, I have 2 brothers. I have 3 sisters.
Now, what if you want to ask about both? You don't want to ask, do you have brothers? Do you have sisters?
That's too long. In English, we use one magic word. Siblings.
Siblings. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Siblings means brothers and sisters.
So you can ask a friend, do you have any siblings?
And they can answer, yes, I have 2 siblings, a brother and a sister. Or, yes, I have 1 sibling, a sister.
But what if you have no brothers and no sisters?
Then you say, I am an only child.
I am an only child. This means you are the only one. No siblings.
Okay, let's learn a few more core words. If you are a parent, you have a son. A son is a boy. Or you have a daughter. A daughter is a girl.
Son and daughter. Together, they are your children.
And if you are married, you have a husband. A husband is a man. Or you have a wife. A wife is a woman.
Husband and wife.
Wow, that was a lot. That is the immediate family.
Now let's learn the extended family. This is your bigger family. Let's start with your parents' parents. Your mother's mother is your grandmother. Your father's mother is also your grandmother.
Your mother's father is your grandfather. Your father's father is also your grandfather.
Grandmother and grandfather. Together, they are your grandparents.
Grandparents.
I love my grandparents.
Now, what about your parents' siblings? Your mother's sister is your aunt. Your father's sister is also your aunt.
Your mother's brother is your uncle. Your father's brother is also your uncle.
Aunt and uncle.
And what about their children? My aunt's son or my uncle's daughter?
This is the easiest word in English. They are all your cousin.
Cousin. It doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. It's just cousin. If you have many, you say cousins.
I have 5 cousins. This is a very useful word.
Okay, I think that is enough vocabulary for now. Let's practice.
Yes, it is time for you to speak. Listen and repeat after us.
Let's start with the immediate family. Mother,
Father,
parents,
brother, sister.
siblings,
I am an only child.
son,
Daughter,
children,
husband.
wife. Now the extended family. Grandmother,
Grandfather,
grandparents,
aunt,
uncle.
cousin, cousins.
Now let's practice some key questions. Do you have any siblings?
Are you an only child?
And key answers. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I am an only child.
I have 3 cousins.
Great job! That was a lot of words, and you did wonderfully.
Now, let's see how to use these in a real conversation.
Okay, then, let's do our first role play. This is informal. We are 2 friends at a cafe, just chatting.
Okay, I'll start. So, Emma, this is a nice cafe. It reminds me of my brother. He loves coffee.
Oh, really? You have a brother?
Yes, I have 1 older brother. His name is Mark. What about you? Do you have any siblings?
No, I'm an only child.
Oh, really? So just you, your mother, and your father?
Yes, just us. But I have a very big extended family. I have 6 cousins.
6? Wow. Are they all in this city?
No, they live in Canada with my aunt and uncle.
That's very cool. And scene.
See? That was a very natural, friendly conversation. We used brother, siblings, only child, cousins, and aunt and uncle.
Now let's try a slightly different role play. This is at work. It's polite, but still friendly.
Okay, I'll start this time. Hi, Ben. That's a nice photo on your desk. Is that your family?
Oh, thank you. Yes, this is my wife and my 2 children.
Oh, they are lovely. A son and a daughter?
Yes, this is my son, Leo, and my daughter, Mia.
That's wonderful. And are your parents still in this city?
No, my parents live in a small town. My father is retired, and my mother likes to garden.
That sounds so peaceful.
And scene. In that conversation, we used wife, children, son, daughter, and parents.
It's very easy. You just need to practice the words.
And now it is time for our first new section.
Yes. Welcome to Common Mistakes. In this section, we will teach you the 3 biggest mistakes learners make when talking about family.
Mistake number 1, confusing siblings and brothers. Emma, if I ask you, do you have any brothers, what is your answer?
I would say no, but I have a sister. If you only ask, do you have any brothers, you will not find out about my sister.
This is the mistake. Brothers only means male siblings. The correct general question is, do you have any siblings?
Siblings is the magic word. It includes brothers and sisters. So, mistake number 1, don't just ask about brothers, ask about siblings.
Okay, mistake number 2, cousin versus cousins. This is a simple one. Cousin, with no S, is 1 person. I have 1 cousin.
Cousins, with an S, is for 2 or more people. I have 10 cousins. Don't forget the S sound at the end.
Also, in English, cousin is for boys and girls. We do not have a different word. My male cousin is my cousin. My female cousin is my cousin.
It's very simple. Okay, Ben, what is mistake number 3?
This is a very common one for beginners. How to say you have no siblings. The correct phrase is, I am an only child.
The mistake is when students translate from their own language. They say things like, I am an alone child. This is wrong. I am a single child. This is very wrong. Single means not married. I am one person. This is also wrong. The only correct answer is I am an only child.
Let's practice that one again. I am an only child.
Please remember that phrase. It is the only one to use.
And that's it for common mistakes. Did you learn something new?
I hope so. And now it is time for our second new section.
Yes, welcome to the culture tip.
Today's culture tip is it rude to ask about family in the USA or the UK?
This is a very important question. The answer is, it's complicated. In general, it is safe and normal to ask about the immediate family.
Questions like these are usually okay with new friends or colleagues. Do you have any siblings? Are your parents nearby? What does your father do?
These are seen as getting to know you questions. They're friendly.
But there is a danger zone. There are questions that are too personal, too private, and can be rude.
You should not ask a person you don't know well, why are you not married? Why do you not have children?
These are very personal questions. Maybe the person cannot have children. Maybe they just broke up. It is considered very rude to ask why.
Another topic to be careful with is age. Do not ask, how old are your parents? And never ask a colleague, how old are you?
And finally, money. Does your brother make a lot of money? This is very, very rude. Do not ask about money.
So, the culture tip is, it is safe to ask, do you have siblings? It is rude to ask, why don't you have children?
Stick to the simple questions and you will be fine.
And that was our culture tip. We hope that was helpful.
Okay, everyone, you did an amazing job today. That was our longest lesson ever. Let's review one more time.
We learned the immediate family: mother, father, parents, brother, sister, siblings. I am an only child. Husband, wife, children.
We learned the extended family: grandparents, aunt, uncle, cousin.
We learned the common mistakes. Remember to ask, do you have any siblings, not just brothers? Remember to say, I am an only child.
And we learned the culture tip. It's safe to ask about siblings, but it is rude to ask, why are you not married?
You learned so much today. You should be very proud.
And that is all our time for today. Thank you so much for listening to this extra long episode of English with Ben and Emma.
We really hope this new format was helpful. If you liked the common mistakes and culture tips sections, please tell us in the comments.
And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to support us and help us make more lessons for you.
Now it is time for our question of the day.
We want to practice with you. Today's question is, tell us about your family in the comments.
You can write one sentence. I have 2 siblings. I am an only child. I have 5 cousins.
We will read every single comment. We are so excited to learn about your family.
Thank you again, everyone. Keep practicing and don't give up. You're doing great.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye.